Hey there. Are you wondering how artificial intelligence can supercharge your business in 2024? Stick around because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you why AI isn't just for tech geeks, but for anyone who wants to scale, save time, and stay ahead of the competition. First things first, AI, short for artificial intelligence, means machines that think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Think Siri, Google Maps, or those Netflix recommendations that know you better than your best friend TNT. Now, let's dive into how AI can transform your business in 2024. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. AI chatbots. These virtual assistants work 24/7, answering queries, solving problems, and turning visitors into paying customers, all while you sleep. Number 2. Data insights. AI analyzes your sales, marketing, and customer data in seconds, giving you strategies that actually work. Goodbye guesswork. And number 3. Content creation. From social media captions to email campaigns, AI tools like ChatGPT help you churn out high-quality content at lightning speed. So, whether you're running a small shop or managing a big team, AI can help you work smarter, not harder. Why wait? Start exploring AI tools today and watch your business thrive in 2024. Got questions about AI? Drop them in the comments or check out the links below to get started. Your business deserves the AI advantage. Let's make it happen.